Today I will speak about short long time fuel price prediction in Germany. In Germany, 47.7 millions total number of passenger cars. So many people use cars, and average distance is around 13.8 thousand kilometers per year. For this, we need to buy gas, oil, and there is 15,000 of gas station in Germany. You can see distribution of gas station in Germany and main top brands in German. So it's Aral, Shell, Esso, and another ones. And all of these people buy fuel. And the problem, in my opinion, it's that we have a daily price fluctuation. For all station have these jumps of price, and if you will take 3 station through one day, we can see that there is a lot of changing of price. Average daily price fluctuation is just 5 cents, but on these jumps, companies can receive 2 billion euro per year in German, but you could save up to 1,000 euro per year. So how we can check current price on this moment? I took MEA Tanken up, and if you will check Berlin, here we can see one cheapest price and another data with price in Berlin. If we will check more detail, we can see that only 2 station was updated 20 seconds ago, to another 1 hour ago, and the one is 6 days ago. So in real, we don't know which price on this station in real life right now. And if we will take time, for example, this blue line, we can see that price now like this, but on next 10-20 minutes it will be changed. And better to know if you will going to buy fuel, you will come and will know real price. Let's try to understand how it's price change, for example, in Berlin. On first picture, you could see changing of price. Red line is increasing of price during day for all gas station, and green line is decreasing of price. We have open windows where we always have decreasing of price, and some peaks when price is increasing. And it's not windows when always everything is stable. So on another picture, we could see how many cents it was changed during changing, and mostly they increase 0.4 cent, and mostly usually decrease only 1 cent, but often. And from this data, we found that the average number of price per one fuel, it's more than 16 times per day. Let's take price changes for one gas station, how it's happened only for one station. On first picture, we could see the fuel price during months for one gas station for E5, E10, and for E-diesel. And it's a big fluctuation. It happens always, and we don't see any repetition. If we'll check another picture, we can see that there is no repetition. Usually it happens in different time. So better to predict when price it will be changed, and to know what will be happened on the next 5-10 minutes or maybe 1 hour. For this, I took LSTM model for training, and here you could see one tank price for diesel for 1 month, and I trained for one next day. Here is a green line. which is a predicted price of diesel for 1 day. So let's say we know price for next day and question what to do with this information. For example, we could predict of diesel price in Berlin. I call it near me option. And you could see a red cycle, it's my position. And at 10 o'clock, you could check real price of gas stations. And a green cycle is best price now, where you could fuel now. And gray cycle is best price in near future. If you will check on next 5 minutes, it will be decreased on 1 cent, but it will be plus minus same. Another blue cycles is another gas station. At 11, for example, a green one is the best one, but after 40 minutes, it will be increased price. So if you have 40 minutes, you could go to this station and to buy diesel. But after later on, after 9 minutes, this gas station, it will be decreasing price on 5 cents, and you could buy price here. For example, on 3 o'clock, it's a good situation where green cycle and gray cycle is same station, and you during, let's say, long time could go to this gas station and buy cheapest diesel near you. Another option to what to do with predicted diesel price is follow track. For example, if we are going to Munich, we are usually buy benzene, diesel exactly on autobahn. And question where is to better to buy fuel on this road? As I remember, 75 station on this road. It's A9. And if you will check price now, it's first picture. So I took all stations, and blue cycle this station during the road with optimal price. So it means on this moment we could see optimal price through this road. But if we will have average speed 100 kilometer per hour, it means in the middle it will be late 2 hours, and prices will be changed. And here is best or optimal gas station is changed, and you could check choose which one is better for you on this road. And for another speed, for 150 kilometer per hour average speed, it's another distribution of gas station and price. So here's two options how to use this data. And as conclusion, is prototype of fuel price is developed, but with simple model, near me and follow track model are created. As next step is improving of model, mostly it's time of training, and improving of the optimal station selection algorithm. So thank you for your attention.